Okay, to use Google Sketchup, it's very, very simple, very easy, quick learning curve. This is what it looks like, the splash screen. I'm pretty sure it's the same between Apple and Windows. So start using SketchUp, select a template. By default, it's this first one here. There's all sorts of different styles of templates you can do. I like this one because there's the sky and the ground. And most everything I build in here, it works well with this. So, by default, you have this 3D space. If you have a mouse that's got a scroll wheel, scrolling zooms in and out. If you push in and move your mouse, it kind of orbits around. So we're going to highlight this lady, delete it, push delete, and the basics here are if you want to draw a 3D object, you've got all your tools right here. Click the square. Hovering over this center origin point, clicking and dragging will begin your square. We're just going to make it whatever size. Now that's a two-dimensional square. It's not 3D yet. You use this extrude tool next to it. They call it push-pull. Highlight the piece and you can bring it up or bring it down. And if you want to change the size of it from there, you highlight any side, bring it out. Kind of cool. And then push in on the scroll wheel again. You can rotate around, kind of see what it looks like. And that's pretty much the basics of it. From there you can grab the square tool, draw another square, use the push-pull, bring it out, or push it in. Now if you push it all the way through, there you go, you got a hollow box. Pretty simple.